And then him buck up the donkey. The donkey say, but look here now. Nobody in the forest can sing like me, you know. You So there are many, many stories in the culture. Today I want to share with you a story written by Amina Blackwood-Meeks. Who's she? You're sure? All right. And this story is about all of us. So true me know the story by heart. We just go hold up the book, so. Me a double six, me a pose. Which game double six in? Oh, wow, no bright. All right. So, this is a story about the Great Spirit. A long time ago, there was a Great Spirit. And Great Spirit went walking one day and found a little box, almost as big as the whole of Hope Garden. Yes, he was a Great Spirit. So that was a little box. And Great Spirit opened that box and looked into the box. And when him looking at the box, guess what him see? Some Play-Doh. You know Play-Doh? My age group call it potty. You know potty? Yeah. Yes. What you make with potty? Dumpling. You make dumpling. You make stick man. You make what? You count with it. All right. Great Spirit discovered that he could make mountains. So he made high mountains and low mountains. He made many, many green mountains, but he only made one blue mountain. You ever hear of it? Which part is that? Clap her, man! She know the story. And down the side of Blue Mountain, Great Spirit decided he would put some rivers. So let's give those rivers some names. He put Slow River, and then he put thank you, it named Swift River. Come again. He put Slow River, and then he put and where is Swift River? Same place in Portland. He put Black River, and then he put White River. He put Mango River, and then he put good, because mango not have no opposite. I catch you now. And when he was finished putting all of those beautiful rivers, he decided to put some nice Jamaican animals. Yeah, you want to hear who he put? Maga dog, stray cat, rat bat, and chatty mouth parrot. Him put yellow snake, green lizard, rat bat, and chatty mouth parrot. And then he made a mongoose. But when him looking at the box, him see him had enough Play-Doh to make one last animal. So he said, I think I have enough Play-Doh to make one last animal, but I'm so tired. Maybe first I could take a rest. Is that a good idea? Yes. And him hear somebody say, that's a good idea. When him look round, no mongoose. Him never ever know say mongoose could talk. Him say, all right, mongoose, since you think it's a good idea, you take this bit of Play-Doh and you make a model of what the last animal on earth must look like. You can imagine how mongoose big up in chest now, you know, and start walk round the forest, man, till him buck up on the eagle. When mongoose look on the eagle say, mongoose look on me. Nobody in the forest has eyes as bright as mine. So the last animal must look like me, of course. Here, mongoose. That's a good idea. So I'm give the eagle one little skench. How big is a little skench? One little beanie. Yes, skench again. Because mongoose mean, you know. And he gone about in business. And he walk and he walk and he walk till he buck up the lion. See the lion, eh? You may attack. Lion say, mongoose, Nobody in this forest now have a hairstyle as gorgeous as mine. Except maybe Bob Marley. So the last animal now must look like me. And Mongoose said, that's a good idea. How much Play-Doh him give to the lion? One, me say, mean like star apple. One little skench. And he walk and he walk and he walk and he see the worm. The worm say, Mongoose, nobody in this forest can dance like me. And the worm start do some chop suey. Chop suey name? What the dance name? Me think a chop suey. Stir fry and the dirt and signal the plane. And the mongoose said what? And he give the worm how much? One little skench. And then him buck up the donkey. Me have to show you the donkey. When him buck up the donkey say, but look here now. Nobody in the forest can sing like me, you know. You see how the donkey pretty? Me say